Alright, so click on this video. You're probably wondering, is this a scam? What's this guy talking about? I don't know what I'm doing here. I should be doing homework. I shouldn't have clicked on this video. And I'm gonna be real with you. Originally, I was just gonna make this clickbait. I have two random videos on my channel right now. And I thought, I'm gonna try to get some views, try to get some easy clicks. And then I decided, you know what, why not actually make it a real video? So what I'm gonna be telling you is about an easy way to, make money on YouTube, get views quickly, and it really doesn't take much effort. Like, it could be something you make on the side. You're not gonna get rich from this unless you actually commit to it. But you could easily, just like 10 minutes, and then in 1 month start making money. And so I'm gonna explain to you how I came upon this and what it is. So originally, a while ago, or let me tell you how I came upon the idea of, this video. So a while ago, I was supposed to be doing homework, supposed to be getting that done, and my little procrastination and little ADHD brain was just searching up random stuff, finding anything to waste time. And so I was searching up just random combinations of letters on Google. And from doing that, I was surprised to see that pretty much every single combination of random letters that I searched had at least one video with the exact same combination. And oftentimes it was just a random video, someone uploading a random video, sometimes like a family video, sometimes a really creepy video, sometimes 5 seconds of just randomness. And from that, that leads to, how I tracked back to that. So I was thinking, the way to really, really take off from YouTube, and this is how like the YouTubers made it big. Many of the big YouTubers made it big is from they find a niche, find something where there's not a lot of product, but there's a lot of consumers. And so I was thinking of a quick idea, and that's how it came back to this. Because for example, if you wanted to go the route I did, which is just type in random letters and make an interesting video, you could do that because it goes around the same route. There's a lot of consumers, there's a lot of people searching that up, but there's not a lot of videos. So with that, you could do the same route I went, and with that, do assortment of like random letters, or it just really comes down to creativity. If you're creative, if you think of something, you search it up, there's not really like the top video only has 500 views, you could easily make a better video and an interesting video, and just get those views up. You can get subscribers, and it's really easy way to make YouTube. And to just quickly explain how you make money off YouTube, the main way is through AdSense, and in order to do that, you need at least 1,000 subscribers, or no, 1,000 subscribers and total of 100 hours watch the video, and that honestly is really easy. On the video that I created, the first video I uploaded to this channel, it wasn't even for YouTube. It was just to present to my class in 5th grade. In 5th grade, it was about a book review, 2 chapters. It was made incredibly poorly. I didn't even make it to present to YouTube to get views or anything, but I somehow managed to get 980 views from that terribly made video. And it was because at that time, YouTube, it wasn't completely new, but it's still fairly new, and there's absolutely no book reviews made about George Washington's Socks, which was the book I reviewed. And I made that, and because there was so little product, but there's so many consumers, I got so many views and engagement from that. And as I said, this all comes down to how I'm presenting this, how I got here and came upon this conclusion, how you could really create any YouTube video. It could be random, creative. It could just be 1, 2, 3, 4. You just make that the title, and you do a really enticing thumbnail, and you'll just rack in those views, and you'll get a lot of engagement. And so that's a really easy way to get views and money off of YouTube. It really doesn't take much effort. If you really want to commit to it, this is honestly in simplistic explanation, this is how you grow a channel really, really quick. You find a niche that doesn't have many product out there and has a lot of consumers, a lot of people searching for that, and you just create some decent videos, and you'll get a pretty large following and a lot of engagement and a lot of views, and it's really easy. So that's an easy way to make money off YouTube. For anyone, it's fast, it's free. You honestly don't even need to be that creative. You could just spend a little amount of time on it, and tell me what's up. Tell me if you thought that I fulfilled my promise, that this wasn't actually clickbait, or if you thought it was still clickbait. Tell me how poor it was, how interesting it was, and tell me if this works out for you, because we're gonna see if it works out for me. And thank you.